I don't know that a lot of people know this, but I got laid off from my corporate job back in the fall of 2022. I took that as a sign to do content creation full time. I've been posting lifestyle content consistently, and now here I am unboxing a package from YouTube and partnering with the platform itself. I love YouTube for so many reasons. It allows me to post long form and short form content. Ooh. It's where you can get discovered and connect with an audience that will actually stick around. Hold on, we're plugging her in. So fun. It's also the #1 platform for creators to be financially rewarded and build a sustainable career, which is very important considering this is my full-time job. I'm so lucky to be a creator. I always encourage people to just start posting. YouTube makes it possible. You never know. Your first video could be the start of something so big. I was personally really grateful to have a foundation from a reality show I was on, but I have seen so many success stories and some of my closest friends that built theirs from just posting that video. So if you've been thinking about starting on YouTube, this is your sign. This is your sign. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments that you may have. Bye!